Well, this election has shown attitudes about illegal drugs could be changing.
Several states, including nearby South Dakota, gave marijuana a green light on Election Day. Oregon even went so far as to allow small amounts of harder drugs.
KIMT News 3's Nick Kruzelnicki is live in Clear Lake tonight with how this could impact us. Nick?
That's right, George and Katie. With South Dakota being just a few hours drive away, it wouldn't be too tough for someone to hop in the car, drive up there and pick up a little bit of legal weed, which is still illegal here in Iowa and Minnesota. Now, I spoke with Cerro Gordo County Sheriff Kevin Pals. He says when Colorado first decriminalized marijuana, the state became a popular source for Iowans to buy pot. Pals thinks South Dakota could be a new source if residents are allowed to grow marijuana on their own. Pals says there are unseen costs of drug legalization, even if taxes are generated from their sales.
I know there's a lot of people say, well, you know, if you legally have a license to produce it and sell it, then you're paying Iowa taxes or state tax, whatever. Baloney. They're not paying enough tax to even pay for the abuse treatment centers that we have.
Sheriff Pals also tells me decriminalizing marijuana would make things pretty tough for law enforcement, being able to determine what amounts amount to personal use versus use for distribution. Live in Mason City, Nick Kruzelnicki, KIMT News 3.
Thank you, Nick. Now, the ballot measure that passed in Oregon would decriminalize the possession of hard drugs, including methamphetamine, LSD, even heroin.
Now, instead of going to trial and facing possible jail time, a person would have the option to pay a $100 fine or attend new addiction recovery centers. Those would be funded by millions of dollars of tax revenue generated by the state's legalized marijuana industry.